What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna unbox this box. I'm not gonna tell you what's inside yet, and we're just gonna discover it together. Come on, Kelly. They're watching. I might have to keep the box. It's a nice box. It's good, guys. I'm pretty hyped. Oh my gosh. You guys ready? It's not the paper. Bang. So yes, I did purchase myself another pair of Adidas. We are gonna skate these bad boys today, test them out and get some first impressions on them. I bought these off CCS. Boom. Blue, super sick. Busenitz, my favorite shoe. I just had to get them. I had to get them. So this is the shoe that I reviewed last, and I don't know how long I've had this shoe since last video or whenever I posted this one. It was a pretty good shoe. I liked it a lot, but the only problem was that the sole gave out pretty easily and the hole is ginormous. And you know, I can't work with that, but the suede held up perfectly. The thing about this shoe is that I love the look. The Adi is such a cool looking shoe, but it doesn't have that much support at the back of the shoe, which I'm used to from the Busenitz, which is super supportive. I'd probably get this shoe again, but I definitely like the Busenitz more. So right here you can see there's a bunch of tape. This is my insole that I used. So since this hole on this shoe was huge, I had to put tape, otherwise it was just gonna ruin my sock and then obviously my foot. And this was the most annoying part because I had this hole for about 2 weeks and I had to keep reapplying tape. There's like 50 layers of tape here. Super annoying. Hopefully I won't have to do that for the Busenitz. You're gonna get these bad boys on and we're gonna go skate them. This is my third pair of Busenitz Vulc. Had one pair of Busenitz regular, like the non-Vulc and the cup sole with like the long tongue. I love this shoe and I'm probably gonna keep getting this shoe. So I might be a little biased because I do love these shoes and they're definitely the shoe for me. So Adidas, hook it up. That would be much appreciated. All right, so let's try these on. Guys, I have been wearing this ankle brace on my right ankle for the past maybe 2 months. It's completely healed, but I'm just terrified to take it off because I'm super scared to roll it again. But today's the day. I'm taking it off, never looking back. Wow. They look like the classic Kelly shoe, Adidas. Julian wants a pair of shoes that I just had, the Adi's, and I just think it's hilarious that he actually wants them. What is that? Get out of here. Dude, you can't be wearing Adidas shoes with Nike socks. These look huge on you. You look like a clown. Dude, fresh out the box. Fresh out the box. So fresh out the box. All right, Julian, get that kickflip test. Oh no, they're bad. This is first, second try. Julian, no steez. This is the first kickflip with my new shoes, and this is the first kickflip without my ankle brace. So I'm really scared.
That is not good.
I can't really feel my board right now.
I can.
Perfect. wraps up this video. Tell me what shoe I should do next. I mean, it might be another Adidas. I was thinking about the new Lucas Puig shoe. Those look really cool. I would like to get that shoe. I definitely like Adidas and I definitely want to keep skating them. It was a little frustrating at the start because they're so not broken in. I was so used to this thin of sole. Everything seems good. Also, these were $70, which is pretty expensive. Oh my god, dude! This is why I love skateboarding. Alright guys, this is what remains of my skateboard. Super bummed that happened, but that means a board setup video coming soon probably? Maybe not. It's kind of repetitive. I feel like I'm doing too many and I want to spend my editing time on different stuff, but maybe it'll happen, maybe it won't. Don't matter. Give this video a thumbs up, a like, same thing. Comment, subscribe.